you guys ever have an issue where your washing machine door will not open, you may see a little red light blinking right here. That door locked. Best thing you can do for this is first try turning the power off to the machine. Disconnect the power at the wall. Another option is you can go to your breaker box and disconnect or turn off the breaker at the box. This one's number 10. You want to go down to number 10 and turn it off. I'll turn it off whether you turned off the breaker or unplugged the washer, and leave it off for a few minutes. Turn the power back on. Now you should be able to open the door.